Hey everyone, welcome to SavinABuck. Today we are inside working today on a tile floor. We are replacing a couple broken tiles. Somebody had a little incident and broke a few tiles. So we'll be cutting them out and replacing them here. If you haven't We just need a few minor tools to do this. We're going to use a chipping hammer, a grinder with a diamond wheel, a hammer, and probably a chisel to maybe chisel off a few of the edges. If you haven't liked and subscribed to the channel, do that. We have new videos every week and you don't want to miss out. Basic tools you need: I got a chipping hammer, a chisel, a knife, and a hammer. And that's about all you'll need to take out a broken tile. Okay, we have all the new tile replaced and put in. We'll come back tomorrow and grout it, and we'll be all finished. Good little do-it-yourself project. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's it for today. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe if you don't want to miss out. And we'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.